Hey everybody, it's me Vic LaPlaca here with MarineMax Sail and Ski Center in San Antonio, Texas. Your local Nautique dealer in Central and South Texas. The Nautique brand of boats is the leader in innovation and styling when it comes to water sports boats. There's no other brand that compares to Nautique's luxurious styling and outstanding performance on the water. Nautique has redesigned the all-new GS20, and today I'm going to give you a first look at it. This is our first Nautique GS20 2023. Take a look. So for 2023, Nautique redesigned the GS20 hull as well as the GS22. With its new hull design, you get much more of a flatter wake when you're out there doing some slalom skiing, and much larger wakes and waves when you're doing some surfing and wakeboarding. Taking a look at the side, you'll see similar body styling from the G series as well as the S series. This particular boat is equipped with the standard tower from Nautique for the GS model. And on the back, we continue to have the transom seating that everybody loves. The nice large swim platform with your boarding ladder and built-in grab handle for easy access into the boat from the water. And of course, without the Nautique NSS and NCRS plate, none of those awesome wakes and waves are possible. Let's go ahead and take a look at the inside of the all-new redesigned GS20. Hey everybody, so taking a first look at the inside of the Nautique GS20 bow, you'll see we got a real nice spacious bow, storage underneath all the compartments. The gunnels seem to be higher for 2023, so a much more safer ride up in the front for passengers. We got a nice clear entryway up through the bow with the sea deck. This boat is equipped with the wind dam. You can also opt for the bow filler cushion if you'd like more of a playpen style seating up here. Making our way into the cockpit for a 20-foot boat is real spacious. The max seating capacity is going to be 12 people. Of course, we have the Nautique race-inspired helm seat with your leather-wrapped steering wheel and the same link panorama screen from the G series and S series, making it very easy to set up the boat for whatever water sport you're looking to do that day. This boat has the haze gray with the steel blue interior. It really accents the steel blue real nicely. For stereo, we went ahead and opted for 8.8 JL tower speakers with the overhead lighting, as well as the subwoofer and bow speakers. Inside the glove box here, you'll see that we have a nice spot in there for your phone to charge, wireless charger, USBs, and then of course your head unit, aux, and USB hookups. You have an onboard battery charger, so you can make sure that your batteries are always ready to go when you're ready to hit the water. Your battery switch will be located here underneath the cushion in front of the gull wing seat. As you can see, the JL subwoofer is located in there, your fire extinguisher, and wind dam. Nautique, of course, always designs their boat with a sea deck walkway. That way people aren't stepping on the upholstery, damaging it over time. So you have a nice gradual step up to the transom with a nice gradual step down to the swim platform. Now for your skiing and towables, You have your retractable ski pylon right here from Nautique. And just with a quick push down and a twist, it locks out of the way. That way nobody's stubbing their toes. Now for storage space, in the cockpit you have your cooler and trash can located on the starboard side there. Easy access with the flip of a cushion. All the cushions in Nautiques are mounted on stainless steel hinges, so everything's self-supporting. You see you got plenty of storage space in both rear lockers, meaning that you don't have any ballast bags or anything. All of Nautique's ballast is subfloor. This boat has a total of 1,700 pounds of ballast that help make those awesome wakes and waves behind the boat. And of course, the key feature powering the entire boat is going to be our PCM ZZ5 motor. This is a close-cooled system, very easy maintenance. So those are some of the key features inside the all-new Nautique GS20. If you're interested in this particular boat or any other Nautique model, feel free to give me a call at 210-301-2507. I'm Vic LaPlaca with MarineMax Sailandski in San Antonio, Texas. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you out on the water.